Hey, did you know that one tool can drastically improve your drawings? In this video, I will share how to use this cool tool as effectively as possible. You will be able to draw anatomy like this, significantly improve the quality of your art, and greatly speed up the drawing process. My name is DemiRaito and I've been working in game dev for over 5 years, and this tool changed my approach to drawing. When I was creating illustrations, I constantly faced one unpleasant problem. My works looked so blurry and cheap, they lacked sharpness and they lacked quality. I tried different pipelines, tried to draw only with a hard brush, but it didn't help to solve the problem. And I would never have thought that I would find the answer in Magica. Yes, I understand how it sounds, but let me explain. The rules of the game are simple. You need to combine different elements of magic to create new spells. However, the more thoughtful the combination, the stronger the ability will be. But you need to be very careful. Without knowing what to combine, you can get dangerous spells that will harm, or even throw you to the desktop. In Magica, as well as in drawing, it's not enough to know the base. You need to use each tool not mindlessly, but mindful. While I was drawing, I combined different tools randomly. I failed, so I couldn't create my most effective spell. As in the game, I had no tips on how to create a strongest and effective spell. So I started studying guides, and I found out that to solve most of my problem in the drawing, I need just one tool. I'm sharing my professional knowledge with you completely for free, but my best reward is your like. Thank you. What if I tell you that you used your basic tools on only 1% of its capabilities? Beginners are often told,
hey guys, don't use a soft brush and don't use a texture brush, you will spoil your works.
But it isn't true. And why nobody of them can say that a soft brush needs and can be used, but only in combo with a lasso? But how exactly can you use this powerful combination? For example, when drawing anatomy. For a grade shading we need to remain one hard edge and the one soft. For it, the lasso is just must-have. Drawing only with a soft brush, it's impossible to control the hardness of the edge and maintain a soft gradient. However, if you add a lasso to this, you get a hard edge on one side where we need it, and a soft gradient on the other side. But that's not all. Now with this trick, you open a huge number of uses for just this combination of tools. Not only for rendering, but also for finding lighting, concepting on the environment and characters, drawing effects, etc. So the lasso helps to think in forms and silhouettes. I talk much more about this on my Patreon, link in the description. Knowing of lasso trick is great, but it's useless if you don't know how to use it to speed up your workflow. So watch this next video. Subscribe!